Okay, this is LW motorized gates machine, and as you can see, this is the wiring. This is the access control keypad, and this is the magnet stopper. Let me use the access control keypad. I've done my wiring, and let me run a test. Okay, as you can see, it's moving. Okay, let me use my magnet stopper now. It's moving and the alarm is blinking, it's sounding. Let me use my magnet stopper now and see if it will work. Okay, it worked. So this is the connection for Lw370 motor gate controller, and I believe you understand this. This is the sensor. These are the sensors for the remote. That's infrared sensors. As you can see, this is the master sensor and this is the receiver. That's the transmitter and this is the receiver. But this full body here, it's the motorized gate machine. Thank you for listening, and please watch and like this video. Thank you.